Hey everyone, this is Ankita, and in this video we're going to solve a very simple problem on Geeks for Geeks, that is to find the middle element in a linked list. So the question states something like, given a singly linked list of n nodes, the task is to find the middle element of the linked list. So for example, if the given linked list is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, so the output should be 3, that is the middle element. So if there are even number of nodes, then the middle element will be the two middle nodes. That is, for example, if we say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, so there are two middle elements, that is 3 and 4. So in that case we need to print the second middle element, that is the 4. So here are a few examples, that is first one is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, which is the odd length, so we can simply print the middle element, that is 3. And in the second example we have even number of lengths. So in this case there are two middle elements, 6 and 7. So in this case we will be printing the second middle element, that is 7. And we just need to finish the get middle function, which takes the head as a reference, and the only argument is pointer to the head, and we need to return the data of the middle node of the linked list. And now the complexity is O of n and space complexity is O of 1. So let's dive into the code. So to solve this problem, we're going to be using a very simple algorithm, that is hare and the tortoise rule. So I'll parallelly code and show how exactly the algorithm works. So we declare two pointers in the algorithm, that is slow pointer, which is pointing to head, and another fast pointer, which is pointing to head itself. Now we created two pointers, slow and fast, both are pointing to the head pointer. Now we create a loop which will run if fast pointer exists and if fast pointer arrow next exists. So this will be the base condition. If the fast pointer and fast pointer arrow next, if both are existing, then only the loop will execute. Inside the loop will do something like this. The slow pointer will point to the next node and the fast pointer will jump two steps ahead. So it will be fast pointer arrow next, arrow next. So the slow pointer will be going one step ahead and the fast pointer will be going two steps ahead. And since we have to return the data of the middle element, so we'll return slow pointer arrow data. So to understand this algorithm better, I will suggest you just take examples of any example. You can take example 1 or 2 and trace this algorithm. Declare two pointers, slow pointer and fast pointer. And if the fast pointer and fast pointer arrow next exist, make changes to the slow pointer and the fast pointer. Make slow pointer one step ahead and fast pointer two steps ahead. And by the when you'll come out of the loop, you will see that the slow pointer will be pointing to the middle element. So this is how exactly the hare and the tortoise algorithm works. So you can check on internet also if you want to go more into the details. So this is the code which will help you in getting the middle element of the linked list. So I'll just compile it. So yeah, it's compiling. So for 5 nodes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, the middle element is 3. It's giving the correct output. So let's submit and check. It's evaluating. Okay, so it's the correct answer and execution time is 0.24. So yeah, that's all about the video. Thank you for watching.